In this video, I'll be sharing all the ways you can get free credits inside Base44. The first and most obvious method is to sign up for a free account. To do that, all you need to do is click on the first link in this video's description. When you click on it, it takes you straight to the official Base44 website. Once you're here, simply click on Build Now and sign up with a completely new email. Once you log in, your dashboard will look like this. Now, if I click on my profile in the top left corner, you'll see that I have two kinds of free credits. The first is message credits, and I've got 25 of them. The second is integration credits, and I've got 100 of those. There's also a cap of 5 credits you can use daily, and a monthly cap of 25 credits. The next method is to share Base44 with your friends. To do that, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, and you'll see an option called Refer a Friend. Simply click on it. As you can see, all you need to do is share your link, and you'll earn 10 credits when your friends publish their first app. So copy this link and share it with your friends. They'll get 10 credits when they sign up, and you'll earn 10 credits when they publish their first app. There's a cap of 5 referrals, which means you can earn a maximum of 50 credits by sharing Base44 with your friends. So that was the second method for free credits. The third method is to post about Base44 on social media. To do that, scroll down and, under the Recent Apps section, open any app you've created recently. After you open it, click on the Base44 logo in the top left corner, and you'll see an option called Win Free Credits. Simply click on it. Here, all you need to do is share your project and earn 20 free credits to keep building. There are a few guidelines for this. You need to tag Base44 on social media, write at least 200 characters about your experience building with Base44, and your account must have at least 100 followers. This is to make sure it's a genuine human account. You also need to add a screenshot or video of your project, which is an optional step, along with a link to your project. Once you've done that, you need to post it on your LinkedIn or Twitter. Once everything's done, you simply open a support ticket with a link to your post. Go to Help and Support, where you'll find the Open Support Ticket option. Click on it, enter the details about the social media post you've made, attach the relevant files, and submit the ticket. Once the team approves your ticket, the free credits will be credited to your account. So that was the third method. The next method to get free credits on Base44 is to follow them on their social media platforms, from their Discord server to LinkedIn, X, and Instagram. For example, right now I'm inside their Discord server, and if you go to the announcements, you'll see that they keep organizing multiple events. All you have to do is participate. For example, this is the VibePrint Champions Edition, organized around the Football World Cup that kicked off a few days back. All you have to do is build apps using Base44 and share them with the community. As you can see, in this case, you have to build a tournament app, submit it at this particular URL, drop your link, and update your entry. If your submission gets approved, keep pushing it up. Voting stays open for a week after submissions close, and you'll get credits based on the results. For example, the first place winner receives 500 credits, the second place winner receives 250 credits, and the third place winner receives 100 credits. This is just one of the events. There are many more. If I scroll down, this is another one, a pet edition, where you have to build an app with your pet as the end user. And as I keep scrolling, you'll see there are multiple events and programs being organized. By participating in these programs, you can win absolutely free credits. This is just an example from Discord. You can also check their LinkedIn, X, or Instagram to see the different events they organize. By participating in these events or hackathons, you can easily win free credits on Base44. So those were all the methods you can use to get free credits on Base44. Although these credits are usually enough, if you do run out, you can always upgrade to one of the paid plans. To do that, click on Upgrade Your Plan and take a look at the pricing. If you're a student, you can get the startup plan for almost 50% off. And I've already created a video showing how to claim this offer, so you can choose the startup plan if you're a student. But if you plan to use all the advanced features, you can go with the Builder plan, which is available for 30% off when you sign up through the link in the description. For the first 48 hours, you can get an extra 10% discount on top of that. To do this, click on Get Builder. You can select the yearly or monthly plan. Let's say I select the monthly one and click on Continue to Checkout. This will take you to the Stripe checkout page. On the left side, you'll see an option called Add a Promotion Code. Click on it, enter the code TAFT, and click Apply, and you'll get an extra 10% off on top of the existing discount on the monthly plan. Now you can enter your details and complete the payment. So those are all the free and paid methods you can use to get more credits on Base44. If this video has been helpful, and if you want to watch a detailed tutorial on Base44, simply click on the video appearing on your screen.